Good morning, ninth class. We will continue our last topic of the chapter, that is Wildlife Protection Act we were discussing, and flora and fauna. So we have selected our crops from the biodiverse environment, that is the reserve of edible plants, and we also experimented and selected many medicinal plants, and animals were selected from large stock provided by the nature of milch animal, because here we are discussing the category of the animals, which kind of animals we have. So all kind of fauna we have in our country, and they are in different category. So they also provided as a uh, drought power and transportation, meat and egg. So means like how they help, and the fish provide nutritive food, and many insect help the pollination of the crop and the fruit trees, and exerting biological control on such insects is harmful. So every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. So hence conservation is essential for all them, as has been seen mentioned earlier, due to the excessive exploitation of the plant and animal resources by human being, the ecosystem has been disturbed. So about 1300 plants species are endangered in our country, and 20 species are extinct. If we take all these categories, so quite a few animal species are also endangered, and some have been extinct. If ransackly the destruction taking place of environmental degradation is taking place, so such kind of thing can be happen in future even. So main causes for this major threat, the nature are hunting by the greedy hunters of commercial purpose. So pollution due to the chemical, industrial waste and acid deposits, introduction of alien species, and reckless cutting of the forest to bring land under the cultivation and habitation are also responsible for imbalance. So these are the causes, and one question can be done from here, means what are the causes, what is the threat to the flora and fauna. So to keep in mind, the government has taken some steps towards to protect flora and fauna. So they are like, we have 18 biosphere reserves have been set up. ठीक है, पहले तक हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ 12 थे, फिर धीरे धीरे 14 हुए, फिर 16 भी थे, अब 18 बायोस्फीयर जो हैं वो सेटअप किए गए हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्लोरा एंड फाउना. सो 10 आउट ऑफ दिस: सुंदरबन, नंदा देवी, गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार. आई थिंक एवरीवन नोज द लोकेशन ऑफ सुंदरबन डेल्टा, दैट इज सुंदरबन, नंदा देवी उत्तराखंड, देन गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार जो आपका तमिलनाडु और इंडिया, सॉरी, आपका इंडिया और तमिलनाडु के आसपास का रीजन पड़ता है, that is Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri. Same in South and Norfolk, Great Nicobar, that is आपका ये ईस्टर्न साइड में है, नॉर्दर्न सरकार टू विच वी कॉल, एंड मानस, सिम्पलीपुल एंड पंचमणी, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज आपका है ये अक्षनामर और अमरकंटक हैव बीन इंक्लूडेड इन दिस वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क. तो ये हमारे वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क में आते हैं ऑल दिस नेशनल पार्क और आपके बायो रिजर्व्स हैं. नाउ when we talk about the second step, that financial and technical assistance is provided many botanical garden by the government of India in 1992. इसमें आपका आ जाता है कच्छ है, कूल डेजर्ट है, और शेषनलम है, पन्ना है, और थर्ड आपका है प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर विच हैव बीन स्टार्टेड इन 1972 में शुरू हुआ था. और इसका मेन मोटिव ही था प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर, प्रोजेक्ट मतलब टाइगर की पॉपुलेशन को लेकर था. फिर आपका प्रोजेक्ट राइनो, प्रोजेक्ट ग्रेट इंडियन बास्टर्ड एंड मेनी अदर eco developmental projects have been started by this act. So when we talk about the current population, current number of the national park wildlife sanctuaries, so we can have 103 national park in our country. Here some data have been changed, like in book it is given 535 wildlife sanctuaries, but currently which have been observed on net, that is 553. So you can see and check and mention, that is the number have been increased 553. They are national, sorry, wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up to take care of the natural heritage. So it is the duty of all of us and moral duty we can say to realize the importance of natural ecosystem and our own survival. मतलब अगर हम चाहें इसमें हमारा भी फायदा है, जितना fresh environment, healthy environment, protecting the environment we will provide to our flora and fauna, same it will be reciprocal, means simultaneously we will be affected by the good health, or we can have a good environment if we are protecting, taking care of our flora and fauna. So it is possible to indiscriminate destruction natural environment is put and an immediate end. अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा जो आज के सिनेरियो में हम देखते हैं, तो ये क्या है, इट इज़ अ ग्रेट थ्रेट टू अवर environment. So to avoid this, we have to protect all these. One portion is left over here, that is the migratory bird. So migratory bird, sometimes you have felt that some in winter season some birds migrate towards India. So this is because of the we can say harsh climate or the extreme climate. They migrate to the mild region, so they come from the Siberia region. So these birds are called the carene and come large number of in India and some places favorable with the birds. Run of Kutch at some places where the desert merges with sea. Flamingo with their brilliant pink plumage come from thousands to build the nest, and mounts from the salty mud raise their young ones, and it is one of the among many extraordinary sight in the country. So is it not rich natural heritage of ours? मतलब ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी, एक बहुत अच्छा एक हेरिटेज है हमारे पास बर्ड का, जो कि कुछ फॉरेनर बर्ड्स हैं, कुछ इंडियन में हैं, इंडिया में ही वन प्लेस टू अनदर माइग्रेट करती हैं. सो इट इज़ द प्राइम ड्यूटी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग दैट दे शुड प्रोटेक्ट देयर एनवायरनमेंट, क्योंकि अगर एनवायरनमेंट ही अच्छा नहीं है तो माइग्रेशन भी रुक जाएगा. तो हेयर वी रेड ऑल अबाउट द वाइल्ड लाइफ एक्ट्स प्लस how the step government have taken and what is the common duty of human, so that we can protect our environment. So this chapter finishes here only, or after that we'll do the question answer. Thank you, have a nice day.